Hello guys, welcome back to this channel. In this today's video, I'm going to show you how you can complete the new developer live log to get rewards in Heartopia. Okay, let's get into it guys. I'm going to explain to you about the event. You can go to this menu and then you can select the new live log. Okay, and there will be some missions or quests that you need to complete. For example, I need to fish 10 times and I will get this reward. And I also need to craft furniture 10 times in total and then place 30 pieces of furniture in my home. And then after we complete the quest or the mission, we will get special reward. Okay, this Mandarin t-shirt, Mandarin cargo pants, and then Moonlight crystal. Yeah, you need to complete each quest to get the reward. Okay, and it will be different every day. Okay guys, and that's all about the new developer live log in Heartopia game. I hope this video will be useful for you. Thank you so much for watching and bye.